Very good afternoon. Slamat Patang. I am delighted to have this opportunity to meet you all here today at the virtual conference on Indian Industries Business Opportunities, State of Haryana, organized by the Government of Haryana, Invest India, and Enterprise Singapore. Singapore and India enjoy an amicable relationship with each other. With Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the helm, the trade and economic relations between our countries have also expanded at a rapid pace and achieved greater heights over the last few decades. Friends, Singapore is not a separate country to me. This is a part of my soul. We, that is India and Singapore, have long-lasting relationship. Singapore's name itself comes from Singapura, which means lion city in Sanskrit. According to Sejra Malayo, a Sumatra prince called Sang Nila Uttama landed at Temasek, that is Singapore's old name, and saw a lion which is called Sing in Malaya. Thus gave the Iceland a new name, Singapura, that is Singapore. In this socio-economic ties, the state of Haryana-Singapore relationship has also elevated in the recent years with Singapore's involvement in smart cities, solid waste treatment and wastewater treatment plants and healthcare units in Haryana. Similar to Enterprise Singapore, the Bureau of Industrial Policy and Promotion under Department of Industries and Commerce in Haryana is committed to work with companies to build capabilities, innovate and internationalize. Haryana is one of the most progressive states of India. The state is not only the breadbasket of India, but it is also considered as an industrial powerhouse with more than 250 Fortune 500 companies based in Haryana. Our state has been continuously working towards providing a conducive business environment for new and existing enterprises to flourish. The inherent spirit of our government is to ensure investor happiness and facilitate progress and growth for all the industries in the state. To support enterprises, the Haryana Enterprise Promotion Policy 2020 is underway. Our focus is not just on enhancing ease of doing business, but also on reducing the cost of doing business.